drove Jean's car home.
From the great room, you will be looking at this end of the kitchen, window straight ahead, window here, sink under window, window in the middle, window over here with an eating area under it. Corner cupboard this corner, vertical wall. Cathedral ceiling, pantry over in that end, refrigerator straight ahead, stove on this corner. On this wall, there'll be some kind of a built-in storage area. And here we have the man of the house trying to hit me with a broom, trying to fall off the ladder. And his shoes that he can't stay on top of. Okay, as we walk down through the kitchen, this is the door, this is the pantry. See the ledge up here? See the ledge up here? And we come out of the kitchen, walk down our hallway. This will be the bathroom area in here. Tub, commode, sink. We go back through here into the laundry room, washer, dryer. Come back through. You want to hang that over top of something?
Yeah.
This is a bedroom with one window next to the kitchen, closet over here, man trying to dry out the house. Back down the hallway, another corner bedroom, 2 windows, closet back here. Put the floor joists in for the floor above. That was what they were doing when it rained the other day. Straight across the hallway we have another bedroom, 1 window, closet. And that's just about it for today. Not much else done back there except they did get this up. Right here is where the ledge is going to be. See these beams going across? Up there is where the top floor is going to be. Hopefully tomorrow night we'll be able to go up there and do some video. This is Thursday, October 21st, 1993. See you Friday, October 22nd, 1993. Bye. October 22nd. Got the framework up on the 3rd floor. I really can't see that they did a whole lot else today. We'll go inside, go upstairs, and see what we can see. Into the attic storage area. Attic storage area. Backyard. Go to the left, you go into the bathroom. Vanity, dressing table, vanity. Laundry chute, commode, bathtub. Front view, which you won't be able to see. Down through this part of the room to the master of the house. Notice the pose, it's the only one he knows. Large window on the end, overlooking beautiful trees, forest, and the trash can, which will be moved.
I don't think I've ever.
Mirrored closet door. Mirrored closet door. Note. Pay particular attention. Closet's in wrong place. Closets must be moved. Closet over here. Do we love closets? Bed will go over here somewhere. Roof will be up here. Slanted wall over there. Do we like it? Do we like it? Slanted wall over there. Slanted wall out there. Moon in the sky. Moon over here. Nope, no moon. about back. Jeep out back. Let's see. Anything else you want on here, H? Prepare yourself, people. Let's get a close-up of those chest hairs. Yes, there they are for all the world to see. Day, October 25th. Came home after dark again.
9:30.
9:30. I'm out here like an idiot videoing what they did on the house. I'm going to go into the slit, into the kitchen. Turn on the light, please. Turn on your light, dear. Here's my husband with the light. Hold it up in the air. Can you see the rafters up here in the kitchen? Probably not.
What you need to do is get a shot of the moonlight also through the rafters.
There's the moon, rafters, ledge, 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 ledge. No, this is not a broken record. Now we're going up, 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 up. There's H. I can't even see H. He's right in front of me and I can't see him. Can you see that? That's the top of the roof. That's not the top of the roof. Which? Those?
Yeah, they have to notch each one.
Over here. See how this is made? They've notched each one individually. This is going to be, they fixed the closets.
Yes.
So that they're now the way I wanted them. Very good. I like it. I like it. I like it.
All that storage space about upstairs.
Not that much.
No, it isn't.
Stand there. Let me go down here to the door. Stand there with the light till I shoot back that way. There's H. I love it. I love it. I'm so excited I can't stand it. There's the moon again.